Hi guys, it's me, Grandma Williams. Okay, I think we have 2 more recipe titles to choose from. So, I'm going to choose one and then I'm going to tell you how to create this recipe. We will be following the instructions to see how to make this recipe. So, Grandma's going to choose a recipe. This one? Okay. So, Grandma's going to open it up, and it says Grandma's Milk Chocolate Peppermint Bars. Oh, bars. I thought it said balls, it said bars. Grandma's Milk Chocolate Peppermint Bars. Okay. I'll put the lid back on here. Grandma's Milk Chocolate Peppermint Bars. Okay. You ready for the instructions for how to make them? Okay. Step 1, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Line a 9 by 13 inch pan with greased aluminum foil. Step 2, in a food processor, pulse Oreo cookies. Do not remove the filling until they're fine crumbs. Add melted butter and stir until combined. Step 3. Press cookie crumbs mixture into the 13 by 9 inch baking pan for 10 to 12 minutes. You want to bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Let cool completely. Step 4. With a whisk, beat 1 stick of softened butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, 1/4 cup of milk until smooth and creamy. About 2 or 3 minutes. I think that'll work. Step 5. Spread on top of the cooled cookie crust. Freeze for 20 minutes. Step 6. In a 2-quart saucepan, melt the milk chocolate chips and butter for about 5 minutes. Stir until smooth. Spread the melted chocolate over the peppermint layer. Then you're going to freeze for 15 minutes before you slice the bars. For a clean slicing, when you get ready to slice your bars, you want to dip a sharp knife into hot water, wipe dry, and then slice. That will give you precise, even cut. So hot water, wipe the knife, and then start slicing. Don't hesitate to wait because your knife is really hot right there if you use really hot water. I'm not talking about tap water. I'm talking about hot water. So you might want to get a measuring cup and microwave it for a minute and then put your knife in there. Okay, this yields 16 Grandma's Milk Chocolate Peppermint Bars. And that would be it for today. So I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Be good and be careful. Grandma loves you.